Yeah guys, right now I'm about to share a little vlog with you guys. Yeah, as you can see, this is my gaff, you know what I mean? My little bucket there guys. Yeah. And as you can see my bicycle. Yeah guys, so right now as I see free. Yeah man, out on the sea right now guys at night. Fishing as you can see guys. Yeah man, so don't worry about it guys. Yeah man, stay tuned for that one. Going after 10 night now. And guys, me have some kangaroo bait and stuff, so stay tuned for that one guys. Guys, just keep like up, share, subscribe, you know, and keep the video going so other people can come on board and, you know, share them love seeing me. So guys, let's go now. One love. Yeah, my beautiful people, as me tell you. Yeah man, I see you mission me there on 9 you see me? Yeah man, I'm there on my bicycle strolling through, you see it? Yeah man, so don't worry about it guys. Yeah man, everything all nice. Yeah, my beautiful people. See it, you can see some nice settings. Yeah guys, so but fully outside man, just dropping all on patrol and sitting. Yeah man, but don't worry about it. Like a scary night, this is what I name, but I'm out here. Right now, I'm in Lita right now, guys. Yeah, man, so you know, I'm so reach the seaside, guys. I'm just keep on update on where me is right now. Yeah, guys, as you can see, Lita, yeah, so. Yeah, man, I get myself down on the beach side, you know, so. Worry about it when we reach on the guys. I just light up the place and show you how it is, you know. Yeah man, so stay tuned guys, see this one. Yeah, vehicle at a pass guys. You say by the sweat of your brother shall eat bread, you know what I mean? Yeah guys, so out here I try to do the right thing guys. Here's my gaff, you know, bucket with my tarpaulin. Yeah, that tarpaulin them I did have pre so I can rig up one little shelter if rain are coming, huh? Yeah man, little dark, little lightness says, he say man outside with you, you know what I mean? Yeah man, right now, down from Portman to road, you see it? Yeah man, down from Portman to road now, they are good on, you know? Don't know how to foot them want to reach. You see how me can connect up out there. Like a good place to show line, you know? So, I hope for the best night. Not like me the plan for it. You see me? But guys, I go see what I can do. You see me? Just stay tuned for that. Don't worry about it. Out here on the cycle, you know guys. I don't know if I can see 100, but out here on the cycle. Go and do it, you see me? Yeah man, so love you guys. Keep share, like and subscribe, you know? Leave a comment guys, please and thank you. Guess what? I don't know if you can hear the wind and the sea roaring in the background. Yeah guys, but right now I'm out to sea guys. Out to sea me there right now guys. And you don't know. Just I'll go and keep on posted on what's going on for the night. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so don't worry about it guys. Guys, guess what? Just brought my ducks, you know guys. Yeah man, just brought my ducks guys, so you know that is a buzz guys. Just reach and spot fling out my line. Get something. You see me and me telling me a kangaroo bait me and you, so don't worry about it guys. Me there take time make one make we make a muckle and me tell you as you can see out here dark. You see me so you know hardly can see me surrounding. You see me say you know a brave warrior out here tonight guys. Yeah man, don't worry about it guys. One night. Yeah man, so look forward for me. You know, brought my ducks with a nice big one on night time. See me gone clear there. Yeah man. Food that, you know. Food that guys. I'm if you tell you about it. Snapper that, you know guys. Yeah man, so me gone one Kanga Tony and one snapper so far guys. Yeah man. No, I must have thumbs up that for me right now guys. So don't worry about it. Make we just stay tuned and see what's going on else for the night. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Sorry, I couldn't make you see when I pull them in, but yeah, me alone out here, guys. So just bear with me, you know. As me go and take them in one and few same way, guys. Yeah, man. Love you guys, you know. For stay tuned with me. Yeah man, supporting my channel, see me. One love guys. Still on the seaside, but where I was at first, I have to end up change that spot because you know it was very windy. So right now I want a little smoother part. So guys, hope for the best. I catch one snapper and one kangaroo so far. You know, so guys, just you know, hope for the best for me. Wish for the best for me, you know, and see how the catch is gonna work out at the end of the day, guys. So there I try my best to see what we can catch, you know. Yeah man, night fishing guys out here. You know, sorry you guys couldn't see the water and all of that, but don't worry about it. No one guys can hear the water in the background and all of that. Guys, I don't know if you can see. I set out one big line over here. Set out a nice big line over here. So waiting for a big fish to pick up that one. Yeah man, I may have two little small lines set out over here. You see it? Yeah man. Not quite remember, I think it's a 200-pound test that, if me not lie, you see me? Them look clean about them talawa though. For even little fish tea with them there. Yeah man, one snapper there and one kangaroo there. Yeah man, you know me not catch something more upon that man, some fish tea with that man. Yeah man, don't know that she little food and that with some coconut juice and sitting. I think yeah man, normal pre-man. I want to see kangaroo and never be able to see fully outside. Yeah man, see my line in the set off and wait to see them gallop. Nah, go on with nothing. Nah, give up. So I tap hole in there just in case we don't fall. You know how we do it already, normal cleaner guys. I wonder if we not see what go on out there. Out there kind of dark still guys. Just pick up that one there, you know. Yeah guys, I tell you it's a great vibes. Yeah man. Tell you it's a kangaroo in that, you know. Yeah man, as me tell us, I catch two already. So the one I make it 3, and I catch a 1 snapper too. So you know 4 fish that I catch, you know. And so I have to give God thanks and praise. Small man so grateful to receive, you know. Yeah, one fun. The boy take up nice and neat. Night time fishing. I go in a daylight and all, so don't worry about it, peeps. Yeah man, big up and bless up on yourself, you know. Yeah man, give thanks here for here a check in with me. Yeah man. Don't know the thing going on guys. Yo! Yeah, vibes over here guys. I tell you. Yeah man. Water burning there now like a pepper. He's out the whole time out now, you know. Yeah man, you don't know the thing going on guys. Yeah man, so don't worry about it guys. Yeah man. You always are the right, you see me? Yeah man, normal pretty man, jungle suit style. Yeah man, proud to be a Jamaican, you know. Out here do a little fishing lifestyle, don't it? Yeah man, normal pretty guys. You can hear the water around the back, them I try to show me, but be a darkness me I see in a video guys, so don't know, you know. Yeah man, DJ SWICKED vlogs out here. We out here, if I even 1 or 2 fish, still have to catch something, you know. Yeah man, because you know we're not trying it out Almighty though. Yeah man, Almighty Jah is the greatest, you know. Yeah man, I'm here seeing me, you know what I mean. Yeah guys, but guess what? What's popping right now guys? Yo, the fish are not too bite, you see me? But still out here guys, you see me? Yeah man. No better hearing, no better barring or whatever they want to call it, you see me? Yeah man, so I still 2 fish me they see me. Yeah man, you go and snapper there and the one kangaroo, you know? Feel couple line run off and things still and, you know? Grab a line but nothing. But still I see me, you see me? I just see me in my jungle suit outside I ease off some of the breeze, you see me? Yeah guys, so don't know, let me see if I can, you know, show now a little bit of what going out here, see me. Minute to now rock and now move. I saw my big line and I set off, I look forward to catch all the fish pan guys, yo. Not too go on, but still they are going, you know, stay focused and do the right. Yeah man, we outside like all the time guys. So, yeah man, how about it man? Don't know no natural fishing lifestyle, you see me? Yeah man, DJ SWICKED vlogs. Right now, a little piece of squall come off for the sea, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so you know a little piece of rain a fall and thing. Yeah, you know, it not really fall that hard, but you know that little squall thing they go already guys. Yeah man, but it's a great vibes out here. As I suppose you can see, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah man, tell you guys. See that? Day break you know and don't know man about you know, check in. Take time right go up you know and things so. You know, it's a great feeling and joy. Without here see them here guys. You know, a little squall take time gone over there now. Yeah. Check out them line and see what I go on for them man. Take time touch out you know. You can see. You know. Go and see out of them places. Yeah man. More water, you know. And say we are the island surrounded by water, you know. We in Jamaica. Like out there now. So you can see the guys. You can see guys. Great, you know. It's a dark road. Only go some water out on land. You know that's our vibes, guys. Yeah, man. But guys, so my little catch for the night, you know. After 10, around after 10 I left out of my house. Yeah man, I ride out and yeah man. Me would catch more if me they have like shrimps bait right so. But guys, it's a great vibe same way. You see me? This can be for dinner same way. You know so you don't know it's a vibes. Yeah man. You have to appreciate every little thing the Father can provide for me. Yeah. God bless the man. The rest of the me. Yeah man. You know guys, it's a great vibes outside and all. You can see them. Yeah, them supposed to look sleepy. Yeah, so don't know. Want to see my bicycle. Show them this up. Get the gears them together, you know. Start moving, you know. So yeah, one love, you know, guys. And see you in our next video, you know what I mean? Yeah, guys. Love you guys always. And remember to do the right thing. Subscribe, like, and share. Please remember, you know what I mean? Yeah, peace out, guys.